Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are learning Tajweed rules from the rules of Noon, Sukoon and Tanween. There are 4 rules: Izhar, Idgham, Iqlab, Ikhfa. In our previous lesson we have done first 3 rules, and in the last lesson we have done Iqlab. In today's lesson, inshallah, we will learn 4th rule from the rules of Nun, Sukoon and Tanween, which is Ikhfa. Brothers and sisters, we used 6 letters for Izhar, Hamza Ha, Ain Ha, Ghain Kha, and also 6 letters for Idgham, Ya Ra, Mim Lam, Waw, Noon, and 1 letter for Iqlab, Ba. For Ikhfa, you need to memorize 15 letters. Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Dal, Za, Sin, Shin, Sqad, Dad, Ta, Za, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. There are 15 letters of Ikhfa. For understanding Ikhfa, you need to memorize these 15 letters. Read over and over. Inshallah, these 15 letters will be memorized easily. Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Dal, Za, Sin, Shin, Sqad, Dad, Ta, Wa, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Now learn about Ikhfa. Ikhfa rule is when one of these 15 letters are after Nun, Sukoon or Tanween, then you have to pronounce Nun, Sukoon or Tanween through nose with light sound. Brothers and sisters, when we pronounce Gunna on Nun Shadda, so we pronounce strictly like in. But when you apply rule of Ikhfa, you have to pronounce Nun Sukoon lightly through nose. And also when you are pronouncing Ikhfa, be prepared to pronounce next letter, one of 15 letters. For example, if the next letter is Ta, so while pronouncing Ikhfa, be prepared to pronounce Ta. So when you are pronouncing Noon, you're not pronouncing Noon from its exact makhraj. You're going close to the makhraj of Ta. For example, Antum, Antum, Wala Antum. Brothers and sisters, there are 2 kinds of Ikhfa. The nasal sound will be light when next letter is light letter after Nun Sukoon or Tanween. For example, if the next letter is Ta, Ta is light, you have to pronounce Nun Sukoon through nose lightly. Antum, Antum. And if next letter is a heavy letter after Nun Sukoon or Tanween, then you have to pronounce Nun Sukoon through nose but pronounce it heavily. For example, if Ta comes after Nun Sukoon, Taliqu, Ta is a heavy letter. You have to pronounce Nun Sukoon heavily through nose. Taliqu. When Ta light letter comes, then pronounce it Antum. When Ta comes after Nun Sukoon, then pronounce it Ta. Ta. And when Ta comes, light letter comes after Nun Sukoon, then Antum. Antum. When Ta comes after Nun Sukoon, then Taliqu. I hope you understand the sound of these 2 types of Ikhfa. Now let's see examples. When Ta comes after Nun Sukoon, Antum. When Ta comes after Tanween, يومئذ تحدث. When tha comes after nun sukun. الأنثى. When tha comes after tanween. شهاب ثاقب. When jim comes after nun sukun. من جاء. When jim comes after tanween. عين جارية. عين جارية. When dal comes after nun sukun. من دابة. When dal comes after tanween. وكأسا دهاقا. When dal comes after nun sukun. منذر. منذر. When dal comes after tanween. نارا ذات لهب. نارا ذات لهب. When za comes after nun sukun. أنزلنا. When za comes after tanween. غلاما زكيا. When sin comes after nun sukun. منسيا. When sin comes after tanween. زلفة سيئت. When sheen comes after nun sukun. أنشره. When sheen comes after tanween. سبعا شدادا. When fa comes after nun sukun. أنفقتم. When fa comes after tanween. إطعاما في. When kaf comes after nun sukun. فانكحوا. When kaf comes after tanween. كراما كاتبين. When qaf heavy letter comes after nun sukun. تنقيمون. When qaf comes after tanween. كتب قيمة. When ta comes after nun sukun. انطلقوا. When ta comes after tanween. سبحا طويلا. When dad comes after nun sukun. منضود. When dad comes after tanween. لكل ضعف. When swad comes after nun sukun. انصرنا. When swad comes after tanween. جمالة صفر. When za comes after nun sukun. انظر. When za comes after tanween. ظلا ظليلا. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you understand about Ikhfa. Inshallah, next time we will learn new lesson. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.